All right, everyone. We are going to take a quick look at helium. It's been a minute since we looked at helium here on the channel, but we're going to look at the 3-day chart here and keep it real simple from the low to the high off of this nice move. You can see that we do have a couple of prices to watch. If you can stay over the 420 area and hold that as support, of course, that is extremely bullish. If we hold that 420 area and we start to go sideways here, that is a very bullish accumulation in my opinion. And we could possibly come down here. I have a green, fat green line on the chart and a green box here. I'll explain that in just a moment, but we could come down to the 382 at about 340, and that could be the thing that pushes us up through the 382 on the macro scale here. But we could always end up doing the accumulation where something like this plays out, where we come down to that 382 to the green line to that macro support, and we get some accumulation going before we go up. So that is a possibility. The reason for the green line on the chart is just pretty much a visual. You can see the support, turn resistance, turn resistance, turn resistance. And now once it comes back down to that level, I would expect that to hold for support. And I would say that's your must hold price. You really want to stay above 340 at all times. But the reason for the green box here is from that 340 on that 382 to that macro support and resistance down to your macro 236 here at about 290. So as long as this green box holds here, I would say you're good to go. And we maybe get some accumulation or we just bounce and go right out of here. So we are going to zoom out to the weekly chart really quick here, and you can see that from that high to that low, that the price is smacking right into that 382 here on the macro scale at about 520. So 520 is your price to beat. Until you get over that, you are not bullish, and you could potentially come all the way back down. That is the reason for all this support here that I'm pointing out. If you come back down, you really want to hold that as support. And you'll know that HNT is going to the moon once it breaks the 382 and you flip bullish and you move up to your 618 at about 160% move. So until HNT gets over about 1360, it is technically not going to the moon yet. So that is your price. That is your moon line, I would say, 1360 on HNT. But in the meantime, watch the smaller time frames here, the 3-day and the daily. Keep an eye on that 382 and that 236 here at 420 and about 340. So we will leave it at that on HNT, not financial advice. Thanks for watching. Good luck, and we will see you in the next one. Peace out.